Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking the video. Guys, it's been a while now since I've actually again produced a video, but this day's video is very important. This time guys, I'll be focusing on helping you really to how to become a call center agent. I have this idea because one of my subscribers, her name is Sharon, okay? And si Sharon, okay? So sabi niya na at some point, she was actually develop yung curiosity niya, no, na dun nga sa last video natin, yung about sa Tagalog call centers, right? Parang na-enlighten siya siguro or humingi siya ng tulong how to convert herself into becoming a call center agent. So she's asking me for help. So guys, huwag natin siyang biguin, okay? As much as I can, I'll try to answer the question, okay? So, Sharon, siguro, ang pinakamagandang may tulong ko sa'yo is tips, okay? Now, sabi mo tulungan kita how you could actually apply, right? So, that's a very, easy and difficult. It depends on you, how you handle this, okay? So, I think the very first thing that you need to do is you have to be decided, Sharon, okay? You have to be decided kung talagang magko-call center ka na. Okay? This job can really change your life. I look at your photo. You seems to be still a young person. So kung makukuha mo tong trabaho to, I'm sure you could, do a lot of things because of course you will have money because of your salary. And you will be able now to decide what you would like to do in your life, right? If you have that salary, if you have those improvements, of course, asenso ka, you can really, arrange yourself na talagang on the way sa pagiging successful, okay? So, ganito na lang yung tulong na may bibigay ko sa'yo. First thing that you have to do, Sharon, is you have to be decided kung gusto mo ba talaga mag-call center. Tandaan mo kasi, Sharon, it's actually a lot of difficulties along, ahead, okay? Passing a resume is easy, but after that kasi namatuli na yan, Sharon, kunyari, na-accept ka, before you know it, you're on training. And before you know it, you can't back up because at some point, it will give you a negative feedback kung bigla kang uurong. So the first thing that you need to do, Sharon, is you have to be decided, okay? The next thing is making a resume. Guys, resume is a very easy task. Hindi mo siya kailangan na i-complicate. Try to focus more, okay, sa work experience mo. That's it. Secondary na lang yung college na kung nakagraduate ka man or high school ka man, okay? And then yung reference mo. Yung mga taong pwede mong i-refer na magsasabi na okay ka, maganda ka magtrabaho, gano'n. But always, guys, focus on your work experience. Okay? Kasi Sharon, konti lang yung information na nakuha ko sa'yo. So, at least maybe, you can comment down below kung ano yung trabaho mo. Maybe I could somehow iayos ko pa yung advice ko, no? But that's basically it. After you're certain and then you made your resume, okay? Magpunta ka doon sa mga trabaho na sinabi ko sa iyo, sa mga call centers na yon, and you have to figure out kung anong pinakamalapit sa iyo. Okay? I-figure out mo kung ano yung pinakamalapit sa iyo, and that's it. Okay? You apply. You try it. There's no easy way out. Okay? But before ka mag-apply, try your best to watch all my videos, okay? Para maging prepared ka before you actually do the submission. Okay? Because kasi bibiglayin ganyan for an interview So, sayang naman kung mag-fail ka ng gano'n, wala kang kalaban-laban. So, I'm telling you now, you have to study na, okay? So, you have to decide and, mag-study ka na, gawa ka ng resume mo. And that's it, okay? Guys, moving forward, if you will comment down below your work experience and kung saan yung address mo, or not actually the address, kung saan city kayo, saan kayo malapit. If you comment down below, I'll teach you guys, okay? Bibigyan ko kayo ng personalized diskarte, how to become a call center agent. I've been doing this for 15 years, guys, so I'm pretty sure I can give you one hell of a good advice, okay? So that's it siguro from this vlog. The first 5 na magko-comment regarding about sa gustong magpatulong, how to become a call center. I'll work on that. Okay? Every video, maybe 2 videos a day. Okay? So that's it for now, guys. Pasensya na, medyo nagmamadali tayo. But I hope I'll see you again on the next video. Thank you so very much. Bye, guys.